fire. I kind of like them.
I'm kind of messing with them.
You should get them. I think you should.
But Matthew was saying they're too wide, but I don't think they're too wide. I just think her style is different than mine.
Yeah, I think it really depends on how you style them, and then maybe if you also have a belt, so it's kind of like more like slim up here and baggier at the bottom. I think that would be fire as well.
Like they look fine.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, I think.
Look at this.
Oh,
That's fire. Well, guys, I have to buy it. I have to. And it's only 26. So I'm about to get it, and I just finished purchasing something. I know you can probably hardly hear me, but thrifting. I got 2 things. I got 2 shirts. I'll probably show you guys later. It's just kind of loud in here with the music, but period. I'm loving it.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not fake. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my items. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Trying to go on, you're lying. I've been wandering all day, trying to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. To be on my lane, my mind running to the other side.
Okay, y'all, I just made this thumbnail that I'm gonna put over my, like, the photo, and I'm actually really proud of it. I drew this zaw or whatever. I drew the zaw, I referenced the emoji, and I basically just went from there. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but you will be able to see it if you go check out my video. It'll be the latest one that I probably upload, the bacon build, so I'm super happy with it. I'm about to upload this video right now, and that's how my Sunday is going. What's crazy is I'm editing that video, and I just finished editing it actually, and I'm wearing the same baggy shirt, Green Day. So, you know, you gotta match the vibe, you gotta match the fit. So even though I just woke up and I look crazy, y'all, please don't judge, but period. I love when I successfully edit a video, and I feel like I'm getting better every time at editing and also making thumbnails and just producing content. And I know sometimes it takes me a while, but your girl has a life outside of YouTube, so I'm just trying to bounce everything at once. But Period, girl. Angel, you did that. You did that. I look so good today. I'm having a good day so far. It's only like 9 a.m. but I think so far I'm like, period, I'm that girl. My outfit is cute. My hair turned out well. I was getting some compliments on it. People are loving it, per usual. I'm just kidding, but I'm really having a good day, and I'm excited for the school year, meeting new people, talking to new people, trying to be more social, getting out there and stuff. I feel like I've been mentioning that over the last like week or so much. I feel like people are gonna be tired of me. I feel like it's always putting pressure on myself to be more social, but I need that pressure. I need to be pressured to like do better, be better, and make some friends. I already made one new friend this summer, which is really nice because we go on like friend dates and stuff and try new foods, which is always so nice. We went to go get sushi the other day. So good. The food was so good and good vibes. Like, it's always just good to be able to like sit down, talk to somebody, be able to pig out and not have them not judge you because they're pigging out too. And it's just like, yeah, let's be big backs together. Let me go ahead and get back to work.